Hello everyone, welcome to the website KSM Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the tutorial about how to swap DOT to Kusama and swap Kusama to Tinker, stake them, participate in InvArch events to earn actual rewards. I only use DEX, Picasso and Basilisk, so this is the first time I ever demo to swap assets from Polkadot to Kusama chain without using any exchanges. So I think this is definitely a milestone. So now I have my account. This account only have some DOT. I don't have any Kusama token. Now let's assume I want to swap some DOT to Kusama. Of course, you can also do it vice versa. So the first step you need to do is go to Trustnest, and they use IBC protocol, so you can connect your JS wallet to the same JS wallet, because I'm going to send from Polkadot chain to Picasso. And here I need to select the DOT. I'm going to send the DOT, so 5 DOT from Polkadot to Picasso. So this is the first step. Now after I send 5 DOT, now my DOT is on Picasso. I need to go to the Picasso website and connect my JS wallet. And now I can swap. Now click swap and select my Polkadot, the DOT, and then swap that to KSM. Of course, I need to select the fee because right now I don't have any Picasso. So here I will select DOT as the gas fee. And after I select that, now I can use the DOT and select the DOT and swap the DOT to Kusama. Now I can go back to send the KSM back to Kusama chain. So I'm going to select KSM and send it from Picasso to Kusama. Okay, now perfect. You get your Kusama on your Kusama chain. Now I can use a Basilisk and send the KSM to the Basilisk parachain. So after I send the KSM, now I can use their trade function to swap. So I can swap the KSM and get some Tinker. This is right now the only way to get the Tinker token. So again, here I will just select KSM and then select the Tinker. Of course, now I have some KSM now, and I can swap. So after that, I have some Tinker. So the last step is how to stake them. So now we will need to go back to the InvArch Tinkernet, connect my wallet, and here on the Tinker staking website, so you can click the button. Right now they have several DOTs. Of course, you need to find any DOT you want to support, and then you need to first transfer that from the Basilisk back to the Tinkernet. So I will transfer this around 200 Tinker token to the Tinkernet, and after I transfer that, now I have 200 Tinker, and I just need to go to the DOT staking and find any DOT I want to support. Just as example, I select the Euro DOT and I will stake all of them. So that's done. Now you stake your Tinker token and you are qualified for the actual rewards of VARCH airdrop. So that's another event. I talked about that event few days back. So now that's it for this tutorial. How did you feel about that? I think this is definitely the first time ever we dream about how to swap the assets from Polkadot to Kusama or from Kusama to Polkadot. Now it happened, so we can do that without using any exchange. So this is all going through the DEX. So please leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you will not miss any future useful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and again, this is Dr. Kao from Web3 Education and Investment channel, and thanks for the support. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.